Hello again. It is January 19th, so it's been about a week since we last talked, and I have my CT scan results. Um, so if you follow me on Facebook on Team Mimi, I've already revealed what the results were, but um, follow me. If not, just subscribe to my videos so you can continue to watch um, my endeavor with this whole fight. So I'm not going to delay it anymore. My scan wasn't clean, and although it wasn't not clean, so what that means is it's not that we don't know if the lymphoma came back or if it's infection or if it's inflammation in my lung. So there's a couple nodules I have in my lung, which I've also found out. The middle lobe in my lung is collapsed, so there's a chance that infection is just caught in there because it can't expand to capacity. So it could be infection. The inflammation could be still from my VAT surgery that I had back in, I think, October. It could still be healing. I know I still have a little bit of pain if I, take too big of a breath in. I can still feel where, when I had the surgery. Maybe it's like, the scarring or where they cut it or took the piece out at. There was a lot of pain with that. So it's still taking a while. Or there's the chance that it could be lymphoma, which at this point right now, I guess that the nodules are too small, so we can't biopsy, nor will it show up apparently on a PET scan. So we're left to wait for another 2 months, I guess, to see whether these nodules disappear or if they get larger. And then if they do get larger, then we can at least biopsy or do a PET scan. My oncologist did take more blood from me this time. I don't really recall this point when I was initially sick that my oncologist took blood and ran tests but they did it this time, so I just find that kind of weird. But so they're going to check for any type of like viruses or bacteria. I could have bacterial pneumonia or something like that. It's also common, I guess, too, that if you've had lung infections in your earlier years or beforehand, I guess, that there's a chance that they come back more frequent. The weather's been super tough here in Detroit, Michigan. It goes from 60 degrees to -30 overnight. That's what happened on my birthday. It was the coldest day of the year here, which kind of sucks, but definitely messes with sinuses, the dryness, in my house, things like that. So for me, really in my heart of hearts, I feel like that it is an infection, but or I should say at least not lymphoma. I don't feel like it is. I feel energetic and alive, like I said last time in my video. So really, I do feel like that it's not lymphoma, but I felt that way before and it bit me in the ass. So I can't say for sure, what it is, but just stay tuned. 2 months from now, I'll get a scan and I'll share those results with you guys too. But otherwise, the doc said I'm in good health and things are good, and that's it. So subscribe to my video if you haven't yet. My channel. I have a feeling this won't be my last video, or this, journey isn't going to end 2 months from now either. So tag along, and maybe you watching this video will help someone that is sick or maybe has lymphoma or symptoms or something like that. So if I've helped one person, then I've done my job, I feel. So I need to stop getting sappy in these videos too. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care of yourselves.